Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to easily access your on-screen keyboard on Windows 11. And this is actually one of the best features of Windows 11, that you can easily use an on-screen keyboard at your disposal in case you don't have a keyboard or your keyboard is not working, or even if you just have a mouse, and in worst case if you only have a mouse and you need to use a keyboard. Before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. So having this as a quick access on your computer can be very useful in many ways. Now, how do you easily get that, right? So go ahead and right click anywhere on your Windows desktop and go down to new and click shortcut, right? You simply want to type in OSK and just go ahead and click next. Now, from here, just simply rename this to screen keyboard. So just simply go ahead and rename this to screen keyboard and just go ahead and click and finish. And as you can see here, it creates a new icon here on my desktop of the keyboard. So if I double click and open that, you will see that it opens up my on-screen keyboard, and I can easily use my mouse to input whatever I want. This is very easy and very simple, and it can be very useful in many ways, as I said. So this is something that you really want to keep handy at your disposal in case you're in a situation where you're stranded and you don't have a keyboard, or simply your keyboard is just not working. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.